As part of any classical art training, it is a common practice to copy the works of the old masters. These were prominent artists who painted between 1300 and 1800 during the European Renaissance. We can learn a lot from copying these works, as it encourages us to think about how something was painted. What kind of brush marks did the artist use? What color palette? And how did the value relationships and composition work together to create the final image? And you're not limited to the works of the old masters. There are so many different art movements and amazing painters that did exceptional things with color, composition, painting landscapes, portraits, figural compositions. It's really an endless opportunity to learn. When we copy a painting, we enter into a space of technical learning. The creative process has already reached its conclusion, and very successfully. It's not up to us to make decisions about colour, value, composition and subject matter. Our job is to understand why these decisions were made and learn from them. We acquire technical skills by adapting our own technique to recreate the effects that we see in the painting. Then we can use those skills and apply them to our own work. Copying a painting is like having some of the most renowned artists in the world as your personal teachers. What they can't teach us with words, they have instead expressed in their paintings, and it's up to us to decode them to enhance our knowledge and acquire new skills. There is a reason that these artworks have stood the test of time. Now, a note on the rules regarding copying paintings. Firstly, you may only legally copy paintings that are in the public domain. This means that they're no longer under copyright, and when you have finished the copy and you want to sign it, you should make it clear that the painting you have made is not an intended forgery. So when you sign it, make sure and reference the artist, for example, Jane Doe after Leonardo da Vinci. And as well as the learning benefits when we copy a painting, it's also a lot of fun, and at the end of the project we have a beautiful painting.